AEFSCHOOL, Speak English in 10 days, Classroom Supplies, Level A1 for Beginners.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a classroom. This is a classroom. This is a classroom.
Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
This is the teacher. This is the teacher. This is the teacher.
Who are these? Who are these? Who are these?
These are students. These are students. These are students.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a school bag. This is a school bag. This is a school bag.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a slate. This is a slate. This is a slate.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are chalk sticks. These are chalk sticks. These are chalk sticks. What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a copybook. This is a copybook. This is a copybook. What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are draft notebooks. These are draft notebooks. These are draft notebooks.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are paints boxes. These are paints boxes. These are paints boxes.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are brushes. These are brushes. These are brushes.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are sticky notes. These are sticky notes. These are sticky notes.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are pencil cases. These are pencil cases. These are pencil cases.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are pens. These are pens. These are pens.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are pencils. These are pencils. These are pencils.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a glue stick. This is a glue stick. This is a glue stick.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a marker. This is a marker. This is a marker.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a stapler. This is a stapler. This is a stapler.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are highlighters. These are highlighters. These are highlighters.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a ruler. This is a ruler. This is a ruler.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a rubber. This is a rubber. This is a rubber.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a sellotape roll. This is a sellotape roll. This is a sellotape roll.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are compasses. These are compasses. These are compasses.
What are these? What are these? What are these? These are scissors. These are scissors. These are scissors.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a set square. This is a set square. This is a set square.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
It's a protractor. It's a protractor. It's a protractor.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a correction pen. This is a correction pen. This is a correction pen.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a sharpener. This is a sharpener. This is a sharpener.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are index cards. These are index cards. These are index cards.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are thumbtacks. These are thumbtacks. These are thumbtacks.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a map. This is a map. This is a map.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a globe. This is a globe. This is a globe.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a flash drive. This is a flash drive. This is a flash drive.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a desktop computer. This is a desktop computer. This is a desktop computer.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a laptop. This is a laptop. This is a laptop.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a slide projector. This is a slide projector. This is a slide projector.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are chairs. These are chairs. These are chairs.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a table. This is a table. This is a table.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a clock. This is a clock. This is a clock.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a bookcase. This is a bookcase. This is a bookcase.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a bulletin board. This is a bulletin board. This is a bulletin board.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. This is a whiteboard.
What are these? What are these? What are these?
These are books. These are books. These are books.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a binder. This is a binder. This is a binder.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is a water bottle. This is a water bottle. This is a water bottle.
This is the end of this video. I hope that this lesson was interesting to you. If so, don't hesitate to press the button like and subscribe to my channel to have the other lessons.